Bentonite odorless, very fine, heterogeneous soil, insoluble in water and organic solvents, to solve the dislocation of bentonite ball press, can be divided into two kinds. The first kind, dislocation in the circumference direction, adjustment of circumferential direction. Dislocation is provided with an adjustment disc at the end of the passive gear. First, loosen the circumferential bolt and tighten the top wire with a manual wrench, according to the dislocation direction and number. Determine the direction of the tight top wire and the number of the buckle, and then tighten the circular ball. Then insert the test plate to test the misalignment in adjustment. The second kind, the adjustment of the axial dislocation. Loosen the need to adjust the end cover of the bearing seat of the roller, and then according to the amount of displacement, add or reduce the gasket at both ends of the bearing end cover, and then tighten the cover bolt. It needs to be explained that this dislocation rarely appears, and the general bentonite ball press machine has been adjusted before leaving the factory.